Okay. All right. So, Vaishnavi, you joined us in the foundation batch at our Hyderabad center. You joined us in the
Yes,
third year MBBS. So, I
yes.
want you to tell to the students who are watching this interview that um, how you scaled up your studies from the third year and then went ahead and able to achieve the maximum that anybody could think of any entrance exam.
Um, so third year, I joined this Bhatia Coaching Foundation batch. It was basically to strengthen my concept that I had joined the foundation batch. So it really helped me to get good concepts since my third year. So since my concepts were really clear, I could easily revise during my PG entrance exam and crack it. So that was my main strategy. Mm.
Were you regular with your classes in the third year?
Yes, yes. So I used to go to the classes in the weekends and I used to take down notes. So then read the textbook and read the notes and revise the notes. Like we cannot revise the entire textbook before the exam. So notes really help me to concentrate on the high yield topics.
Which subject you completed in the third year with us?
I have done the third year subjects in the third year, the final year subjects in the final year.
Okay,
And then first and second year subjects, I partly did them in the third year and fourth year whenever I had time.
okay, all right. And how was your impression of DBMCI in your classes? How was the support? The see, I feel that teachers are good at almost all the places, but there
Yes.
is always a support by the team at the ground, the team of Dr. Reddy, Dr. Sai, who are there at the ground to help you. So, how was your
Yes.
overall atmosphere at DBMCI? Would you like to tell this to the students?
Yes, DBMC Hyderabad. I want to thank everybody in DBMC Hyderabad. It was like my family. They supported me at every time. Like I had to repeat my entrance, so they had activated everything for me again. Let me attend whatever classes I wanted to. They had like they would let me take the test how many ever times I wanted to. They were really friendly.
Okay.
I really want to thank all the support they had given me.
Dr. Reddy, I also
Thank,
want to thank you for this, for taking care of the center in
thank you.
such a beautiful way. I feel
Sorry to.
that though every center in charge at DBMCI, they are on their toes, but the kind of dedication that you have at the center is unmatchable. I mean, hats off to your dedication also, and that is coming up from the result, that the amazing result that the Hyderabad students are producing nowadays. Now,
Thanks a lot, sir.
lot of time people say that the toppers are born. So I nowadays now it differ from them, and I say that not toppers may be born sometime, but the toppers are also created. And
Yes,
my DBMC Hyderabad team is creating toppers. Uh,
yes,
Thank
so
you.
uh, so Vaishnavi, so I feel that as a part of DBMCI, every subject we teach from our heart, but there
yes.
are always some teacher who creates an impression on your mind. So, are there some faculties in DBMCI also that you want to mention who have created an impression in your mind?
Yes, sir. Absolutely. So I want to thank Tamim Saif sir for medicine, Jay sir for surgery, and especially you sir for radiology.
Okay.
Yes,
So you have already taken such a big interview with Dr. Tamim, so you have done that. Thank you very much. But I feel, see, okay, one more thing, Vaishnavi, that I have come across that those
yes, sir.
people who are scoring good ranks, they sometimes are associated with multiple platforms. Now, but what interesting aspect what they do is they keep one thing for one place, like. And sometimes they get free coaching from some place, sometimes they get some question bank from some place. So what was your primary source of preparation in your PG entrance exam?
So my primary source and like I had made notes in the third and fourth year. So that was my primary source. But
So
yes,
that
I
means
had
notes
also
that you made in your DBMCA classes
yes,
in Hyderabad.
yes.
Okay.
But I had like used some online platforms during my internship. But these were my fundamentals in my third year and final year.
Okay. So,
That's, that's
so with proud, I can say that DBMCI Center has played some role in achieving this great task. Though I believe that it is totally dependent on an individual student also. but we have also played at least some part in your
No, you should say
success.
like you had laid the foundation for my success.
Okay. Vaishnavi, what about the vibe session? I'm personally I'm very passionate about the vibe session that we conduct. So, how was your assessment of the vibe session?
Yeah, yes, sir. So every Central Institute exam is giving a lot of image-based questions. So Vibe session was very useful to me, sir. Like the book also, all the images of all the subjects were placed in one place, so you can revise it really easily.
Okay.
So I think I would recommend everyone to go through the Vibe session.
Wow.
It played a really important part in my entrance exam.
Okay. Vaishnavi, you were a part of our face-to-face classes at that time when we were conducting. But as you said that in this mid time, you scored a great rank in the NEET also. I think around 200 rank that you scored.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and then you still did not stop, because I always believe, I keep on saying this to my students, that don't stop till the time you get what
Yes,
you
sir.
wanted. And I remember
Yes.
you always wanted to get into a central institute, and here you are, and that too with a bang. But
Yes, sir.
the point is that 200 is also not a bad rank. It is a pretty decent rank, a pretty great rank. So what kept you motivated? And as you said that you spoke to Dr. Reddy, and Dr. Reddy gave you the extra content and opened the eGurukul app for you, which is our signature app. So how was your, like, two questions that I want to ask is, first is how you were able to keep yourself motivated, and specifically in this depressing time, and how did you utilize the eGurukul app with in this mid-year preparation?
Uh, so I wanted to be in AIMS, so that kept me motivated. But there is always a difference being in a central institute and any other institute, so that was my main motivation. And during this COVID lockdown and all, this eGurukul app has helped me a lot. I could learn whatever I want on the mobile or on the tab, and I could do the tests. So that was really helpful to me.
Okay.
I
Any?
still remember, sir.
Yeah.
Many eyes were on Vaishnavi that what she will take, where she will stop, and this is final the place where she is stopping in her hand. That's great, Vaishnavi. You have not stopped even at 2.
She's still confused with the
second rank.
branches. But anyways,
There was always a
I feel that
discussion.
it is always a good to have such kind of confusions in life. People are dying to get such kind of confusions.
Yeah, because she didn't stop at number 2 also, sir. She achieved number 1.
Yeah. See, that
That is our
the
ultimate goal and ultimate stop.
exactly. That is the, I feel that the best thing that can happen in any PG entrance exam, and she stopped with a very very big bang, and I'm very very proud of her achievement, and I'm very proud of my Hyderabad center, who has
Hyderabad
worked
center.
day in and out, and I can tell this to everybody that who is associated with DBMCI Hyderabad, all the students who are associated with DBMCI Hyderabad, and not just DBMCI Hyderabad, with any center with us at pan India level, that you will realize the importance of DBMCI when you will be writing your exam. You might not realize it right now because of a lot of marketing issues created by a lot of people, but you will realize the importance of what DBMCI has taught you when you will be writing your exam, and the result is the real example. And Vaishnavi also will put some highlight on this. Vaishnavi, when you were attempting the paper, both the AIMS exam, even the NEET exam that you did, or for that matter, did you write JIPMER also?
Yes, sir. I have written.
Yeah, so JIPMER result is still waited. We might be having another one or two in that particular paper from you. But now tell me that how much you were able to recall from your notes, how many faculties you were able, because I still remember when I was writing my paper at
Yes, sir.
way back in 2006, and when Dr. Thamim was my teacher, I still remember that day that when I was writing my paper, I was recalling, okay, Thamim sir has told me this, which was written on the top
Yes,
right
sir.
corner of my notes,
Yeah.
and in spite of that he has finished the medicine in such a small number of pages, and still I was able to recall almost everything, that okay, it was written on the top right corner of my. So did that happen with you also?
Yes, sir. That is absolutely what happens. Like I could recollect everything from my notes. Like when we read the notes, we might not realize the importance of the point, but when we do the MCQ, it just pops out into your mind like, yes, this was there in the notes.
Yeah, exactly. And a lot of people who do MCQs from different platform, the common feedback that I have got is that whatever they are able to find out in the notes are the actual thing which are important. And whatever
Yes, sir.
questions that you're not able to do in the question bank are not really important. So you can simply skip them. Just focus on to the things that are there in your notes. Yes. Yes,
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 Vaishnavi.
sir.
sir.
Actually,
So notes are like they're the core concept, no, sir. So that is more important than the secondary questions. You can answer them only if you have a good concept from the notes.
many a times the notes written by student himself or herself is the best source of revision also, sir, because it is written by yourself and it is very easy for you to recall. So always we encourage to write their own notes from the third year so that it will help you a lot. I
Yeah.
hope it helped you also, Vaishnavi.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Vaishnavi, any special advice to the juniors who are watching this interview or who are aiming to have or reproduce such a great result?
Yes, sir. I want to repeat the same advice that I gave in the video. So if you are an undergraduate, so you just have to make more concept. You need to focus on doing concepts now, so that it will save a lot of time in your PG entrance when you're actually doing internship. If you are an internship, then you should just be focusing on making quality notes, giving as many number of tests as possible, sticking to one source. Because when you try to do multiple sources in your internship, it's really like not a good thing. It won't give that good results. You're supposed to be sticking to one thing.
Yeah. So that means the common message that is coming from everybody is that focus onto the things that you are reading rather than
Yes.
moving here and there. Just identify the things that are given in your notes and you are not able to recall and revise them in a way so that you are able to recall them in the exam. Okay. Once again, a very big congratulations, Vaishnavi, from the entire team of DBMCI
Thank you.
on such a great achievement. We all are
Thank you.
very proud of you. May God bless you in everything that you do in life. You stay safe and you keep us making more and more proud in the future also. And do let us know that if we can be of any help to you in any manner in the life ahead.
Yes.
Once again, a big congratulations, beta.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Vaishnavi, because sir, I have been in many a times on sharing the platform with Vaishnavi. When she was the best outgoing student, we had a medal to Vaishnavi from DBMCI. Now, many a times we had shared the stage with Vaishnavi, making us proud. I don't think this is, and she is again to give us a surprise in JIPMER 2. Wish you all the best. Wish you all the best for your future. And as sir said,
Thank
we
you.
are always here with you for anything.
Yeah,
Even
thank you.
Waiting for
after
one
this,
more interview soon.
yeah, very